Unmasking the puppet masters the role of construction workers, delivery riders, and couriers in organized stalking. In our modern society, organized stalking has evolved as a covert yet alarming phenomenon that exploits the unsuspecting population. Within this sinister network, construction workers, delivery riders, and couriers have become inadvertent actors manipulating ordinary individuals through intimidation and fear. The implications of their actions extend far beyond mere harassment, suggesting a disturbing system aimed at controlling society. Understanding organized stalking. Organized stalking, often dismissed as paranoid delusions by outsiders, involves a coordinated effort by individuals and groups to harass and intimidate a target. This form of psychological warfare includes not only intrusive surveillance, but also verbal harassment, such as whispering derogatory remarks or conspicuous taunting from a distance. The perpetrators range across all demographics, including children and individuals from diverse nationalities, revealing the widespread nature of this troubling behavior. Methods of manipulation. For a more in-depth analysis of this issue and possible countermeasures, please check out the blog post. You can find the details in the description box or the pinned comment. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to support our content.